Hi guys, hi friends, family. I appreciate everything you all have done to help me uh, with equipment and know-how. And my son was here for a while today, again helping me with the sound system. There's still some tweaking to do, but anyway, I'm getting involved in YouTube a lot more now that I'm starting to recover. So I'm going to play you a little video and just say hey. And hey, I love this drum drum, man. It's got the back. I can lean back on it. And it's real easy to play on, and it's a little bigger than the normal drum drum. Anyway, let's see how we can sound here now. The amazing thing about YouTube, you can learn so much from other people, like in my case, other drummers. Drumeo has been really great in helping me with lessons, and I'm ready to start my lessons again. This sound of my hi-hat, I've got to figure out what's going on with it. It sounds terrible. I'm pretty sure that it's going to be the webcam I bought. I paid a little more for this one than I did the last one I had. It's the same brand, but a little bit higher. Well, a little bit more expensive. And anyway, got a lot of work left to do on the drum room. Appreciate my brother Ricky and his boys, and Tammy, and my daughters, and just everybody who's pitched in to help. But if you have any idea on what I can do about this drum, this hi-hat sound, I would appreciate it. Okay, guys, have a great day, and thanks for your support.